Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and today I'm continuing on with this project. So I opened it out here. We've got this rental space or this office space with the barbershop, but adjoined to this, just opposed to right to the back, we have two apartments. Actually, there's four. We've got a second level to do. But in this exercise, we're going to focus on flooring. Because I had a question about floors, and I placed some of these floors here, like this one here. If you see there, this is my floor. It's a floor type, and I called it tile. And I created this. It's another one here, and basically in this here, all of these floors are going to be tile, or unless we want to change them to something else. So now I'm going to show you how to create different floor types, whether it be carpet or wood or whatever. So we've got tile. Let's do a wood one now. So here, I want to select. Let's just go in and grab a generic floor. It's probably better to do it this way. I'm going to go architecture. I'm going to go with a floor here. Architectural floor. And I'm going to just go with something generic for now. Let's go a 12-inch generic floor. Now, I'm going to do a floor here in this view using my pick wall command. So I'm going to pick this wall, because I want this one room. I don't want that there. I want it on the outside here. Oh, why is that doing that? But I'm not going to worry about it right now. So then we want to clean these up. So I've got a generic floor placed in here right now. Actually, I want to just drag this guy up to here. And then if I have it in, I hit the, is it all good? Well, we'll find out in a second. So let's hit the yellow green check mark. And we have our generic floor. So now, I'm going to take that floor and I'm going to select it. And I'm going to edit type here. I'm going to duplicate it. Let's call this wood floor. This will be our hardwood floor. Let's just go wood floor. Or you name it whatever you want. Then I'm gonna say okay here. So there's a view of the floor in the graphics view. So if you don't see this view, you just hit the little arrow here and there you'll see it. So now here, just like our walls, we want to go into our structure here. And right now we've got one category here, so I want to insert another layer here. And then I want to move this up. So right now we've got 1 foot thick slab here, and then so on the top, I'm gonna just make this 1 inch. This is a 1 inch layer here. Nope, not 11, 1. And here, I want 6 inches on the bottom. Because the slab is gonna be about 6 to 8 inches thick here. Okay. So we'll go back in the structure. I'm sorry. Now, there's our flooring. So here on the bottom, this is going to be our concrete. Lightweight or cast in place. Going to go okay here. And then I'm going to go into my builder here. Do I have it? Yeah, I've got that in. Good, good, good. Okay. So here on the top, our top layer, we're going to have wood. So this is our wooden floor. And what do you want? Oak flooring, that'll be good. And here, we want to go to the appearance of that. It's going to look this way. Graphically, that looks good. I want the 3-inch parallel lines and the diagonal crossing. We'll say apply and okay. So there's our floor. We'll go okay. And apply here. And okay. So there we have our wood flooring now. So now let's do, for the bedrooms here, let's do some carpet. So we can go to the floor command once again. the architectural floor. And we'll do another generic floor. Yeah, we'll do another 12-inch generic. And I'm going to just do this simply from here to here. And then I'm going to finish this. Now I want to select this and I want to edit type again. I'm going to duplicate it. And I want to call this carpet floor. Carpet. And okay. Then I want to edit here. And then I want to add another layer here. Or as many as you need. So if you want to do some type of waterproofing or whatever, I want to move that up. Change this to, let's say, just make this a half 1 inch carpet as well, because we probably would have some, you know, padding or whatever on there. And here I want to make this 6 inches. And okay, now I want to do this for this one. We want to use the carpet. Got any carpet in there? I can create it if I want, but I'm going to take a chance on just seeing if I got some here. There we go. We'll take that one. Don't particularly like it. This is one of the appearance. Okay. All right. I'm going to go okay with that. And then this is also going to be concrete.
Hello,
Sorry about that, folks. My bad. Sorry about that. Go carpet here. Okay. Oh, no, I don't want that. I'm back out of that. This is going to be concrete. That's what the darn phone does for you. Concrete cast in place. Okay. Okay. So there we have our carpeted floor now. So now, say for instance over here, I want to make this wood. I can just select it here. Edit type. Where's my wood? Wood floor. There you go. So that's basically how you would do floors in Revit. And you know, here I can change this to whatever. I got my 3 types. I got my tile, my wood. So that can be wood, or this can be carpet. We can interchange these to whatever we want once we get the floor types or whatever new type you want to make here. So it's fairly simple and straightforward. This is how you do floors in Revit. So again, I'm going to go back. This is going to be all tile out here. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to bring this guy back to tile. Maybe some carpet in these offices, like this one right here might take some carpet. The little architect office here. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Let me change this in here to carpet. Might want carpet in here. I'm not particularly fond of the red, but that's how you do it. Carpet. Nope. There you go. So that's it. That's how you do carpet and different floor types in Revit. You just, you know, just like we did the walls. You just go in here, you pick your wall type and duplicate it, and away you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Hope everybody's doing well. Be safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye y'all.